Welcome to yet another edition of Sport Roundup with the News Chronicle. We go straight to the La Liga. Barcelona FC dismantled Sevilla away from home, winning 4-1 to close the points gap on rival, that is Real Madrid. The game, which seems promising in the early minutes of the first half, took another dimension in the second half when Sevilla began to concede excessively in the second half. The game finished 1-1 on the level in the first half, but Barcelona went on to win that game 1-4 away from home. That has seen Barcelona currently sitting in the third place in the La Liga table. They are just a point behind Atletico Madrid and 2 points behind the leaders Real Madrid. In English football, in the FA Cup, Chelsea, Liverpool, and Tottenham have all exited the tournament. The three English clubs have been beaten off the tournament, that is the FA Cup, after all of them were suffering defeat and could not advance to the fifth round of the tournament. Meanwhile, the Manchester club, that is the Manchester City and Manchester United, have taken their place in a round of 5 after both teams won their games. Manchester United won against Leicester City, although there was a controversial goal when their defender scored that late strike, while Manchester City also defeated Leyton Orient in that game on Saturday. Chelsea suffered a shocking defeat to Brighton and Hove Albion in the Amex Stadium. Liverpool were also shocked by Plymouth. We could see last night as well as Tottenham Hotspur were defeated by Aston Villa. In that game, Marco Rashford and Marco Asensio both made their debut. Let's not forget, last season, Manchester City and Manchester United faced off in the final of the Carling Cup. Could that be another Manchester derby in the final? So you can always go to our website to get more of our latest stories on sports, or you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you also follow all our platforms on social media. We got it covered of all latest happening around the world of sports.